1 second.
Yes.
1 second.
This
1
gentleman is
second.
going.
Please listen to me. You're
Okay.
not, 1 second.
I am a citizen of this country.
1 second.
Yes.
Don't shout at me.
No, I am very soft.
Lord, I am respectfully submitting. If
Sorry,
Lord
appearing
an order
for big
today,
clients, we will not tolerate this. You have to follow the rules in my
but
court.
Lord, if you Lord,
Please close the
Because
door.
bar were senior to your lordship.
It is enough now.
Also senior to your
It
lordship.
is enough.
64-year-old man. Lord.
May I please your lordship?
1 second.
May,
Just 1 second.
start these proceedings. But I am appearing on behalf of the major Lord industry association, which is the ASSOCHEM, Lord, and CJI. Lord, we have filed applications today morning. Lord,
If the application is not numbered, it is not registered, we'll follow what sauce for the goose is sauce for the gander. Mr. Rodhi, sorry, no oral mentioning in my court.
No, I'm not, Lord, I'm in the matter I'm saying. I am saying,
We have
Lord,
no such application on board. Let it be circulated. We'll deal with it in the normal course.
but Lord, I am respectfully submitting. If
Sorry,
Lord should make
appearing
an order
for big
today,
clients, we will not tolerate this. You have to follow the rules in my
but
court.
Lord, if your Lordship make an order today, my application will be infructuous. I am saying kindly defer the issue of grant of alpha
Mr.
numerical.
Rodgi, you are aware of what proceedings were going on. You could have intervened at that stage. What is this after the judgment is passed? You want to intervene now?
No, Lord, the order is of 15th March. Ask
No,
me,
but
Lord,
you are aware about the proceedings pending before this
But
court.
Lord, we were
Arguments
not
are
parties
going on
anywhere.
together.
we were not parties at any time.
Everybody, the whole world knew that this matter was being heard.
Lord, I have
Come
no.
back 1 second, Mr. Rodgi. You come here after the judgment is delivered. You are now, you file an application. That's not the way.
Lord, I have come only in regard to
Circulate and-
15th March. Kindly appreciate.
No, Mr.
I have no problem in
Lord, please,
declaration
hear you.
of the list of donors
Lord, please.
or the list of recipients.
Mr. Rodgi will not hear you right now. We have a specific application which is on board. You ask your advocate on record to follow the procedure. File an email. It will be dealt with by my registrar listing. We'll take a, we'll get
But
it. No.
I am saying
No,
kindly, Lord,
If I do it for Mr. Rohatgi, senior
No, no,
counsel, then Mr. Rohatgi, you look at me. As Chief Justice, I have no face to tell all the other juniors to whom I declined list mentioning in the morning. What sauce for the goose is sauce for the
I am
gander.
not mentioning, I am not appearing in the matter and making a
We have-
submission.
We have no such application on board before us.
Lord, I have brought it with me.
I've made myself.
my lord, the entire,
I have emailed
entire judgment
1
has.
second, you wait. One at a time. Sorry, Mr. Rodgi. Yes.
No, my lord, my submission is the entire judgment has been rendered behind the back of the public at large. This judgment doesn't constitute residicata. This judgment doesn't constitute residicata.
1 second.
Yes.
1 second.
This
1
judgment is
second.
void.
Please listen to me. You're
It is-
not, 1 second.
I am a citizen of this country.
1 second.
Yes.
Don't shout at me.
No, I am very soft.
Please listen to me.
Yes.
This is not a Hyde Park corner meeting, okay? You are in the court.
Yes.
You want to move an application?
No, my lord.
File an application. What I told Mr. Rodgi applies to you.
No, my lord, the question is, my lord, this,
There's no question you've got.
my friend has come.
Mr. Nedumbara, 1 second.
Yes.
You've got my decision as Chief Justice. We are not hearing you. If you want to file an application, move it on the email. That's the rule in this court. No
my lord,
further.
we will go by what your lordship.
all, please.
Whatever your lordship says, we will go by that.
Do you want another contempt notice?
No, my lord, your lordship will go by
You have
whatever
had
your
enough
lordship
committed
says.
Bombay.
Only I have said what I wanted to say. That this judgment is rendered behind the back of the people of this country. It doesn't bind us. It doesn't
Please.
constitute. It is not a
Please
representative
do not,
process at all.
please, once we have said no, please move the application by
What
email.
your lordship says.
Do not continue and persist.
Yes, I only said it was not a representative proceeding.
Nedumbara, you are
All the way come from Kerala.
you are obstructing in the administration of justice.
Pardon, my lord?
You are obstructing in the process of administration of justice.
The entire judgment is against, behind the back of these people. Parliament has been rendered
Hey,
irrelevant.
That's all, that's all. We heard please, that's all. You made it.
We are in a democracy.
We will not hear you till you follow the procedure prescribed.
No, no, we are filing it.
Please do,
We are filing it.
please do, we'll consider it afterwards.
That's
That's
at
it.
10 o'clock. My friend came from Kerala to took a 1 o'clock flight. Be kind to us. Be kind to
That's
us.
all, please, we will not hear that. Please
Democracy.
call for the application, please follow the application.
Democracy.
My lord, may I mention, my lord, my petition for suo motu that is pending. Whatever lordship want to do, that do only. I will not disturb lordship.
Mr. Agarwala, apart from being a senior counsel, you're the president of the SCBA.
Yeah.
You should know the procedure. You have written a letter to me asking me to invoke my suo motu jurisdiction.
Yes, yes, my lord.
No locus to mention
So that
anything.
I should not
You
disturb
have to rest
lordship.
it with what you
We
have
should not
said.
waste it honorable time, court's time.
Fair
That's
enough.
why.
Lord,
But
Only that.
these are all publicity-oriented stunts. We will not permit it.
Not a handmaid of a.
Whatever
Please,
lordship feel better.
Mr. Agarwala, please keep it at that. I may have to say something more, which will be perhaps a little distasteful.
My lord,
Please,
there are
please close it.
members of the
at that.
bar who are senior
Mr.
to your lordship.
Metropolitan, it is enough now.
Also senior to your
It
lordship.
is enough.
65-year-old man, Lord.